Creative copyright and plagiarism. Copyright and plagiarism are serious problems, especially in schools. Many kids have gotten kicked out of the school for violating these rules. Students should be aware of how to avoid copyright rules or issues and how to give credit where credit is due. There are 4 points of fair use. They are use small amounts, rework and use in a different way, add new meaning and make original, and non-profit use only. Focus of these rules is so students acknowledge where the information comes from, staying true to the meaning while allowing them to expand on it. They should develop their ideas as opposed to copying the work of others. With the internet, sources and plagiarism is easily accessible, only a few clicks away. Copy and paste are an easy option for students. Passing on others' work as their own can begin seeming like no big deal, but can quickly escalate. There are several websites that can check to see if copyrighted material is used. One resource that does this is Turnitin.com. Beyond just papers and assignments, homework copyright is a problem. Friends think it's their job to help their buddies out if they didn't do their homework and give them their work to use. Just change it a bit, they say. Teachers should be aware of students doing this and should enforce ethical decision making in their students when doing and submitting their work. Another good approach is to identify. Being able to identify examples of plagiarism is an easy way to avoid it. Sometimes there's confusion in plagiarism. What one teacher might allow could be plagiarism by another teacher's definition. When in doubt, don't do it. If you have questions as to whether or not your work is plagiarizing or close to it, you should probably change it. Just like you want credit for your work, so do other scholars, authors, producers, and performers want credit for theirs. As always, God bless and stay safe.